Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'll show you how to change your TikTok profile photo using your laptop or PC. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to www.tiktok.com. Log into your TikTok account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select View Profile. Now you'll land on your profile page. To change your profile photo, hover your mouse over your current photo. You'll see a small pencil icon appear in the corner. Click on that pencil icon. A window will pop up asking you to upload a new photo from your computer. Go ahead and select the image you want to use. After uploading, TikTok will automatically update your profile picture. And that's it. Your new profile photo is now live on your TikTok account. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick TikTok tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.